Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple process of changing your pronouns on the Pinterest app while using your PC. With the latest update, Pinterest has made it easier than ever to customize your profile, including how you represent yourself with pronouns. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, look to the left side menu. There, you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to all settings and preferences. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, find and select Settings. Inside Settings, you want to navigate to the Edit Profile section. This is where you personalize key aspects of your Pinterest presence. Now you'll see your profile details laid out, including your name, bio, and of course, the option to change your pronouns. Click into the Pronouns field and type in the pronouns you want to display. Pinterest allows you to choose or input pronouns that best reflect your identity, making your profile feel truly yours. Once you've adjusted your pronouns, don't forget to save the changes. There's a Save button at the bottom or top of the page. Click it to ensure your new pronouns are updated and visible on your profile. And that's it. Changing your pronouns on Pinterest using the PC app is quick and straightforward. This update shows how Pinterest continues to support and respect individual identity and expression. Make sure your profile reflects who you are by keeping your pronouns up to date. Thanks for watching.